Are you a woman? Did you know that if you are attacked like this, you would have only 4 seconds before you pass out and get sexually assaulted? Would you know what to do? 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's face it, most women in a sexual attack situation would beg, cry and hope for the best. It is so unfortunate because there's an easy way out of it, and it's called 3 barriers trick. It can get you out of it in less than 3 seconds. So click the link below and start watching this free video course right now. And do you know what's best about it? Is the fact that it doesn't matter at all how much bigger the bad guy is than you. Sounds too good to be true, right? Keep watching. Let me ask you a quick question. Don't you think it's ridiculous that women go through formal education until they are about 18 years old, but no one teaches them how to get out of the most terrifying situation that can happen to them in life? And on top of that, they lie to you that it's impossible to get out of situations like this. Because you are a woman, so by definition, you must be weak and defenseless, right? Would you agree as a woman that you deserve to know how to protect yourself in the most terrifying situations that can ever happen to women in their lives? If you are a woman and you agree with me so far, I have an awesome gift for you today. I'm going to give you a course called OUTSMART the Bad Guy. It is worth £532, including bonuses. But the great news is, I'm going to give it to you totally free. Why am I doing that? Look, this is one of our best video courses, and yet we decided to make it totally free. That's because we truly believe that every single woman in the world should know how to escape from potential sexual assault. And to be honest, if you like this free video course and you want to learn much more from us, you'll be able to buy our other programs on our website or join our online training. So let me tell you what exactly you're getting in the OUTSMART the Bad Guy video course. First of all, you will learn how to outsmart the bad guy. That means how to prevent getting into the 4 stages of sexual assault. Once you know what these stages are and how the bad guy operates, you'll be able to avoid them before they even happen. In the second part, you'll learn how to escape from the most terrifying position on the ground which women can ever end up in. I'm talking about rape position, and you will learn the 3 barriers trick, which allows you to easily, within 3 seconds, get out of it. And in part number 3, we are going to teach you exactly what to do in case of armed strangulation from the side, like it happened to this woman in the office. The trouble with that one is the fact that your natural instinct is going to lead you in the wrong direction and you are going to end up unconscious within 4 seconds. And in part number 4, we are going to reveal to you the 3 biggest mistakes and myths that get women into dangerous situations with no way out. So click the link below and start watching this free video course right now. We don't know how long we'll keep this offer, so click the link below and start watching right now before it's too late. And if you want to hear what other women say about this course, keep watching.
The things you've just showed me were extremely powerful, extremely easy, simple and easy to remember. The most realistic we've seen.
You'll learn skills that will possibly save your life. A couple of months ago, someone followed me from the store all the way to my car and scared the heck out of me. And I realized I needed to learn how to defend myself.
I was really surprised by the evening. I learned stuff that actually works. A lot of stuff you taught us that evening, or both you taught us, that was you can actually use. It was really fun.
If I'd be in a situation like this now, I'd know what to do. I feel confident. The thing I enjoy about Krav is that every lesson is different. You never do the same lesson twice. We as women are always perceived to be the weaker sex. However, Krav just really shows that we're not only equal, we can be superior at what we do, especially if you train with Edmund.
You're a perfect example that you're really quite petite and tiny, but I don't doubt for 1 second that you could really do some damage and defend yourself.
I run a lot, and I run sometimes in more remote places, and I felt if potentially something happened to me, I wouldn't know what to do. So I thought it would be better to find out just in case something happens.
And it's also really lovely how passionate you both are about it, and actually passionate on changing people's lives and saving people's lives.
You should do it, you should try it. It has changed my life, and it continuously changing it, because I'm pretty committed to carry on and learn and enjoy myself. I love learning all this stuff.
I feel safe when I go out. Being a woman is really hard. I feel fit. My stamina has grown, definitely.
I was totally blown away by what you showed us and how you were talking about this stuff. I loved the logic very much.
Hello, my name is Ramona and I work in clinical trials at the John Radcliffe.
I'm Ola and I'm a researcher at the university.
My name is Silvia Boykan. I work for the university. I'm a lab technician.
My name is Catherine and I am an account executive.
My name is Christina and I'm currently a stay-at-home mom.
My name's Rebecca and I'm the manager of the Sweaty Betty store in Oxford.
I am Alice, assistant manager at Sweaty Betty, Oxford.
We recommend Fit to Fight Back for women.
We found it extremely inspiring and we hope that other people have the same inspiration that we have taken from this. Oh yeah, I want to do that.